Hi, welcome to Farmers Food Factory. I'm now going to show you how the irrigation system of the Farmers Food Factory works. What you are seeing is a hill, about 1 acre of a hill. During the monsoon season, what we do, we dig the trenches along the hill, foothill of the hill, and that whole water we take down to this small reservoir. This is the pipe. It collects the water is from the catchment area of the hill. This is the reservoir of a size maybe around 150 feet by 100 feet. The depth is almost 25-26 feet. We have around 6 acres of a land. This is the overflow pipe, and now you will realize how this reservoir is built almost at the foothill, and this entire around 6 acres of a land is almost 50 feet below the top of the reservoir. What we do is, without using any electricity or something, if you can see this pipe, it's almost 90 pipe we have put into the bottom of the reservoir. Entire water, whenever we require for an irrigation system, it is siphoned. And because of a gravitational force, all the drip irrigation, main lines, distribution, and then to each and every tree, the drip lines goes. I'll just show you. If you can see the small black pipes, these are the drip pipes of 16 I'll just move here so that you can see. I'm holding camera at my eye level. I'll now just move the camera towards the hill and towards the reservoir. The capacity of this lake is as such that almost for an entire year, for all the seasons, this water will suffice. I won't require bores. The bores will be utilized only for the drinking water. Since we are at the rural thing, the electricity is always irregular. And now what you are saying is almost harvesting is over. And I hope you like this video. This is the attempt by the Farmers Food Factory to, have a conventional type of a farming using all the natural resources. I'll just post one another video maybe after 1 month, how much water has reduced and everything, and maybe one at the start of a monsoon when the water requirement for the farm is the most. Okay, thank you so much.